This video illustrates some of the common problems you see when filling MOD restorations with composite. Here we can see knit lines between each layer of composite. Here's another one with knit lines. Here we can see voids at the bottom of both proximal boxes. Here we can see one large void, and also we can see the composite is only partially cured at the bottom of one proximal box. In these two images we can see that when the mold is opened up, that actually the composite was uncured in the bottom of the proximal boxes. This probably happened because not enough light could reach the bottom of the boxes. And notably, these are the areas where most restorations fail. This might happen because the bond strength to uncured resin is obviously 0, and to partially cured resin it's much less than to fully cured resin. So this may be a reason why we get more failures at the bottom of the proximal box. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact me. In the meantime, I'm looking for new and exciting ways to use this MOD mold. Thank you very much for your attention.